Today we're diving into the Chengdu J-10C, also known as the Vigorous Dragon. This jet marks a major leap for China's aerospace industry, and is a symbol of its rising technological power. The J-10C is a multi-role fighter, capable of both air-to-air combat and ground attack. Its versatility makes it a cornerstone of the People's Liberation Army Air Force, or PLAAF. The J-10C is the most advanced version of the J-10 family, far surpassing the original J-10A. Classified as a 4.5 generation fighter. It stands alongside Western jets like the F-16 Block 70, Eurofighter Typhoon, and Dassault Rafale. China is producing these jets in large numbers, giving the PLAAF a formidable and modern fleet. This mass production shifts the balance of power in the Indo-Pacific region. The J-10C is no longer just a domestic asset. It's been exported to Pakistan, with other countries showing interest. Its spread could reshape strategic calculations across Asia and beyond. The J-10C is more than hardware. It's a key player in the story of shifting global power. It shows how quickly China has closed the technological gap with the West in military aviation. The jet's capabilities directly impact the operational planning of the United States and its allies in the Pacific. For aviation fans, it's a fascinating machine, blending a unique canard delta wing design with cutting-edge avionics and weapons. The J-10C's arrival signals a new era in Asian air power. Its combination of advanced technology and mass deployment is changing the rules of the game. Understanding the J-10C is essential for anyone following the future of air combat in the region. Let's explore what makes this jet so significant. To appreciate the J-10C, let's look at its evolution. The original J-10A was China's first homegrown fighter to rival Western jets, but it had basic avionics and a mechanically scanned radar. The J-10B introduced upgrades like the Diverterless Supersonic Inlet or DSI, which reduced weight and radar signature, and added an infrared search and track system. These changes improved stealth and detection, but the real transformation came with the J-10C. The J-10C features an active electronically scanned array, or ASA radar, a game-changer in modern air combat. ESA radars track multiple targets, resist jamming, and provide superior situational awareness. The J-10C's electronics fuse data from radar, IRS, electronic warfare, and data links into a single display. This allows pilots to make faster, smarter decisions in combat. Compared to the J-10A, the J-10C is a completely different beast, faster, smarter, and far more lethal. The leap from J-10A to J-10C is like going from a flip phone to a modern smartphone. The J-10C's upgrades put it on par with the world's best 4.5 generation fighters. It's not just an improved J-10A, it's a new class of combat jet. This transformation is what makes the J-10C a true force multiplier for China. What makes the J-10C so formidable? Let's break down its core technologies. At its heart is the AESA radar, which scans, tracks, and guides missiles simultaneously, giving pilots a crucial first-look, first-shot advantage. The Advanced Electronic Warfare Suite detects, jams, and deceives enemy radars, protecting the jet in hostile environments. The J-10C's arsenal includes the PL-15 long-range air-to-air missile, which can outrange many Western counterparts. The PL-15, guided by the AESA radar, is a serious threat to enemy aircraft, even those far from the front lines. The cockpit is fully modernized, featuring a glass cockpit with large, customizable displays. A helmet-mounted display system projects vital data onto the pilot's visor, enabling high off-boresight missile shots. This means the pilot can lock and fire on targets simply by looking at them, an edge in close combat. All these systems are tightly integrated, allowing the pilot to focus on tactics, not just flying. The J-10C's technology package rivals that of top Western fighters. It's designed for survivability, lethality, and pilot effectiveness. These features make the J-10C a standout in modern air combat. It's a leap forward for China's military aviation. The J-10C isn't just for China, it's making waves on the global market. Pakistan is the first major export customer fielding the J-10CE to counter India's Rafale jets. This sale strengthens China-Pakistan ties and shifts the regional balance. Other countries like Egypt are eyeing the J-10C as a cost-effective alternative to Western or Russian fighters. For nations seeking advanced capabilities without Western political strings, the J-10C is an attractive option. Iran, with its aging fleet, could see a quantum leap in air power if it acquires the J-10C. Such sales would have major geopolitical consequences, especially for U.S. interests in the Middle East. The J-10C offers advanced tech at a lower price, making it appealing to developing nations. China's willingness to export high-end fighters is reshaping alliances and military balances. The J-10C is now a powerful tool of Chinese foreign policy. The J-10C's deployment is transforming Asia's air power landscape. It erodes the long-standing technological edge of the US and its allies. The PLAAF now fields a jet that can challenge top fighters from Japan, South Korea, Taiwan, and India. Over the Taiwan Strait, Taiwan's F-16Vs face a numerically superior and technologically advanced opponent. The J-10C, paired with the PL-15 missile, threatens air superiority for Taiwan and complicates U.S. operations in the region. In the South and East China Seas, the J-10C can patrol, escort, and contest airspace against regional rivals. U.S. carrier groups now face a more sophisticated and layered air threat. This forces the U.S. and allies to invest in new fighters and tactics, accelerating the regional arms race. The J-10C is a catalyst, pushing every major Asian power to rethink its air combat strategy. It's not just a new jet, it's a game changer for the region. The spread of the J-10C is reshaping the Indo-Pacific's balance of power. Each new jet adds to China's ability to project force and challenge the status quo. The J-10C enables enforcement of no-fly zones, deep strikes, and air cover for joint operations. Its export to Pakistan complicates India's defense planning, creating a two-front challenge. If sold to countries like Iran or Myanmar, the J-10C could shift military balances in the Middle East and Bay of Bengal. The jet becomes a strategic chess piece, influencing alliances and rivalries. As more nations acquire the J-10C, the world moves toward a multipolar military landscape. This reduces dependence on Western arms and opens new avenues for strategic autonomy. But it also increases unpredictability, with new arms races and flashpoints emerging. The J-10C's proliferation is making global security more complex and dynamic. The Chengdu J-10C Vigorous Dragon is a milestone for China's air power. Its AESA radar, electronic warfare suite, glass cockpit, and long-range missiles put it among the world's elite fighters. The J-10C is changing the military calculus in Asia and beyond, both through mass deployment and strategic exports. Its impact is already felt in the Indo-Pacific and South Asia, and future sales could reshape other regions. The jet is both a symbol and a tool of China's rising influence. Expect continued upgrades and aggressive marketing to new customers. The story of the J-10C is just beginning. It will shape air combat and global security for years to come. Stay tuned as the Vigorous Dragon continues to soar.